Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets are all higher this morning. They finished higher yesterday as well, quite a bit higher yesterday. Couple of reasons. You had some funds exiting last week, the markets. We saw it before the new year, and of course we sold off pretty hard after the new year as well. So we're seeing some funds come back into the market this week. We expected to maybe see a little bit of that on Friday, but it didn't really happen. The market continued its sell-off. However, we did see that yesterday, and we are seeing it this morning. So then piling back into the markets, a little bit of the reason we're higher. You've also got some dryness forecasted into Brazil, in South America, not just Brazil, but South America as a whole, and that's adding a little bit of premium as well. Now, that's just forecasted. It's not been realized. As of right now, things are pretty ideal down there as far as growing situation goes, and they're actually harvesting beans in northern Brazil right now. But there is some dryness forecast, and that's definitely going to add a little bit of premium into the market anytime you've got something like that. But the harvest that is going on in northern Brazil, hearing reports of record yields there. So pretty much similar to what we had here in the U.S. Things are looking pretty good there for right now. We'll have to wait and see if any of these forecasts for dryness adversely affect the growing conditions down there, as they are in a pretty pivotal stage right now. So moving forward, a lot of traders have their eye on the January 12th report. That's a week from yesterday. Historically, it's a very volatile report, so if you have any questions about that or coverage that you should get on, whether it be to the upside or the downside pre-report, definitely give us a call and we can help you with that. But as I noted, it is a historically volatile report. We'll keep you updated. We'll get the whiteboard out. We hadn't got to use that in quite some time. We'll get the whiteboard out later this week and go over some estimates, and we'll also have that in the written versions that we've been doing here lately too. So moving forward, things we're going to keep our eye on today is basically just this weather situation down in South America and how funds add to their positions. Of course, the index fund rebalance, I believe, starts on Thursday, but they don't have a whole lot of positions to rebalance from what I've seen. Shouldn't affect the market too much, but that does last for 5 days. So that'll be Thursday, Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.